Hello, hi everyone. This is Shrija. Welcome to Skin or Real, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about brands that I love from Sublime Life and few of the products that I have been repurchasing from them again and again. Starting with product number 1, and that is from a brand called Martyderm. You guys already know my love for Martyderm ampules. I have almost tried all their variants, from Photo Age to Night Renew to DSP Bright to Proteus to even Hydra Plus. I think I've tried the sample size for the Hydra Plus. I did not purchase the full box because that was slightly too hydrating for my skin type. But yes, definitely I have covered almost each and every ampule from that particular brand. A few flash ampules or something are still left, but that's about it. But in today's video, I'm going to focus on this one product from Martyderm, and that is their DSP Bright ampules. This is a combination of tranexamic acid and vitamin C and is great for people who are dealing with hyperpigmentation and brown spots. Tranexamic acid inhibits excess melanin production in the skin, and vitamin C helps brighten it. So if you're fighting with stubborn brown spots, I highly recommend that you give this ampule a try. Currently, this ampule is being used by my father and he loves it. I have also used it because their Photo Age was out of stock. So I started trying their new variants for my acne marks, and Martyderm DSP Bright is also really good if you're suffering from brown and red acne marks both. If you just have red acne marks, then I recommend you try the Proteus one. But if you have a combination of both, then give DSP Bright a try. All of them work really well, but definitely if you're someone who is dealing with the brown stubborn marks that happens on the upper cheek or brown spots, try these DSP Bright ampules. They will of course take time to show results. It's not magical, but within 1 month, you should be able to see a slight difference. Moving on to the next brand that I personally love from Sublime Life, and that is Faith in Nature. I love their shampoos and conditioners. Again, I have tried so many variants, but my favorite is aloe vera and tea tree for summers if you have oily scalp. If you have dry hair, then I recommend trying their coconut variant. Blueberry also works really well. Like, they have so many that you can choose from. All of them are SLS free. And the best part is that unlike most of the SLS free shampoos, they rinse really well. Even if you have applied a hair mask or hair oil, these shampoos are capable of taking out that leftover residue. I highly recommend their shampoos. I personally love it. I have also tried Petal Fresh from their website only, but currently it's out of stock. So that's why I switched to Faith in Nature, and I have been sticking to it since I think it's been about 4 to 5 months now. I really like it. And if you're confused about different variants, or you don't know which particular product to choose from according to your hair type and concerns, you can drop in your queries as comments on this video, or you can also reach out to them on Instagram by DM. They're usually very friendly and they respond within a day. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for SLS free shampoos, I highly recommend giving Faith in Nature a try. You won't be disappointed. The third brand that I want to talk about is relatively a new brand in the Indian market. It's called Skinpot Peel, and today I'm going to talk about their hyper exfoliation peel. Yes, most of the time I'm against these high concentration AHA, BHA peels like the one from Ordinary, but this one is really gentle. You just need to use it for 5 minutes once a week, and it works really well for acne marks, or if you're looking to get that gentle exfoliation. The main ingredient is lactic acid, so that's why I understand that why it's not as stripping as compared to other peels available in the market, and it is also really affordable. It's not like crazy high. I think it's below 1,000 or something. Like, I'm not sure about the price, but definitely you can check out the link in the description box. This brand has very few products and they're all super affordable. I also have a separate video on Instagram where I'm showing the uses of this product. I have linked that as well for you guys to check out. So even after going through the video, if you're confused about the uses of the peel, you can reach out to me on Instagram, or you can just leave it, or you can just drop it as a comment, and I will definitely get back to you, because you need to be careful while using chemical peels, that you should know how to use it properly. And of course, sun protection is very important. Regardless, sun protection is very important, but when you chemically exfoliate your skin, you are even more prone to sun damage. So be very mindful of that. Now moving on to the fourth brand from Sublime Life, and that is also a new Indian brand. Currently I have been trying their moisturizer, and it's called Amino. I have been trying their hydrating moisturizer cream. It's like a blue colored cream. It doesn't have any artificial fragrance, but definitely this product has essential oils. So yes, there is a slight scent to it when you apply it, but that immediately fades away. I do like that product. The version that I'm trying is called Nourish and Protect. It's very hydrating. You will like it if you have oily skin. And the best part is that even after applying that moisturizer, your T-zones won't feel oily. Initially when I started using it, I thought that yeah, maybe because of the cream texture, I might find like this might not work out for me, but definitely it's a great moisturizer if you are looking to repair your skin barrier as well, and if you can tolerate fragrance. I have also tried the cream cleanser for this particular brand, which was slightly little bit heavier for me, so I gave it to my mom. I definitely recommend checking out their cream cleanser if you have dry skin. It is very gentle, very nourishing. Somehow it's like it's not meant for my skin type, but yes, for dry skin type the cream cleanser works really well. They also have this cleansing balm which I haven't personally tried, but that is definitely on my wish list, and I'm going to soon check that out and let you guys know about my thoughts, because I'm desperately looking for cleansing balms available in the Indian market, as it's not feasible for me to keep buying these Korean and American brands again and again. So if I find a good alternative in India, I might switch to that completely. So yes, that's why I'm looking to try out new cleansing balms. If you have any recommendation, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm not a huge fan of Earth Rhythm cleansing balms. Bubble Farm is also okay, so I have already tried those brands. Raw concoctions I really like. That is something that I finished one tub of, and Amino is something I would want to try next. Now moving on to the fifth and the final brand and the product that I want to talk about, and it's not skincare, it's actually a makeup brand. It's called Asa Beauty. I really love their lip and cheek tint. The shade that I'm wearing right now, it's called Mystic Lilac, and it's amazing. I personally love it. So I think I have applied 3 coats of it, so it doubles up as a lipstick as well. If you just apply 1 coat, it leaves like a slight tint to it, but they're very durable. Like, even it will stay, like you won't, like as compared to other lip and cheek stains that I have tried that tends to just fade away in about like 1 hour or so. This one definitely has a staying power. It's not gonna make your lips dry. It's really hydrating, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for like a multi-purpose products. I'm not a huge fan of lipstick, so I try to stick to like multi-purpose products like lip and cheek tints. So if you're looking for a lip or a cheek tint, I highly recommend giving this particular product a try. I have not tried the other shades, but definitely I will once this one is over, because I don't use makeup a lot and I don't want to waste my money on the same. But definitely, yeah, if you are into makeup and you're looking to invest in a good lip and cheek tint, give Asa Beauty a try and you won't be disappointed. Have you tried any of these products that I just spoke about? If yes, let me know your experience. And if there are other brands that you had tried from Sublime Life that was not mentioned in this video, you can drop them in the comment box below, and I would love to check it out for you guys. Again, like before ending this video, I would like to clarify one thing. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I have just been ordering a lot of products from Sublime, so that's why I thought of compiling this short video for you guys. And I have also been getting a lot of questions regarding shampoos that I have been using. So yeah, Faith in Nature is one of them. I will soon also be doing another hair care video, so you can check that out for my entire hair care routine. That is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoy watching my content, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.